Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss the simple error which everyone are getting nowadays. So if you click on this, right, we will get this error. Tap to retry. If you tap to retry, it is not able to load my other accounts. How to solve this error? Now let us see step by step. Go to settings, go to more settings, applications, so I have to go to all and I have to see YouTube is here or not. So click on the YouTube. You can see here you have to click on the storage and you have to clear the cache. Just clear the cache. So you have to click on YouTube, you have to click on uninstall updates for select app and just clicking on install. So let it uninstall for now. So you can see it has updated 1 hour ago. Maybe because of this update people are not getting it. So I just want to uninstall this one. So updates uninstalled. Try to open this YouTube now. So YouTube needs an upgrade. So now click on update now. Now update it. It will take a little bit of time. Let it update. So let it take time. So now it is installing. Let it install. So now click on open from here. So let the YouTube open now. Hopefully the error which was coming tap to retry should have been resolved by now. So let me click it here. So if I see, I can see all the accounts here. See, each and every account which was attached to this video. Hopefully I was able to help you in this regard. If that's so, if you really like the video, please click on like, guys. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.